So what is your name?
My name is Adarsh Yadav.
Others, very nice. So others, you have to tell me one example of each sentences, right?
Yes.
So start speaking about one sentences about all the tenses one by one.
Simple present. I eat मैं खाता हूँ. I do not eat मैं नहीं खाता हूँ. Do I eat क्या मैं खाता हूँ. Present continuous tense. I am playing मैं खेल रहा हूँ. I am not playing मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँ. Am I playing क्या मैं खेल रहा हूँ. Present perfect tense. I have eaten मैं खा चुका हूँ. I have not eaten मैं नहीं खा चुका हूँ. Have I eaten क्या मैं खा चुका हूँ. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been eating मैं खाता हूँ. I have not been eating मैं नहीं खाता हूँ. Have I been eating.
I have been eating since 2 o'clock. मैं 2 बजे से
खाता हूँ.
खा रहा हूँ. मैं 2 बजे से
खा रहा हूँ.
खा रहा हूँ. Say like this. I have been eating since 2 o'clock. Start.
I have been eating for 2 hours.
For 2 hours. Good. मैं 2 घंटों से
खा रहा हूँ.
Very good. अगला sentence.
I have been eating for 4 hours.
Now make the negative of this one.
I have not been eating for 2 hours.
Very good. What is the meaning of this one in Hindi?
मैं 2 घंटों से नहीं खा रहा हूँ.
Very good. How will you make an interrogative?
Have I been eating for 2 hours?
What is the Hindi meaning of this one?
क्या मैं 2 घंटे से खा रहा हूँ.
Very good, Adarsh. Now go ahead, go for the past tense.
Simple past. I ate मैंने खाया. I did not eat मैं नहीं खाया. Did I eat क्या मैं खाया.
Very good. Go ahead. Past continuous.
I was eating मैं खा रहा था. I was not eating मैं नहीं खा रहा था. Was I eating क्या मैं खा रहा था.
Very nice. Go for past perfect
tense. I had eaten मैं खा चुका था. I had not eaten मैं नहीं खा चुका था. Had I eaten क्या मैं खा चुका था.
Very good. Go for past perfect continuous.
Past perfect continuous. I had been eating for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटों से खा चुका था.
खा रहा था.
Sorry मैं खा रहा था. I had not been eating for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटों से नहीं खा रहा था. Had I been eating for 2 hours? क्या मैं 2 घंटों से खा चुका था.
Very nice. Now go ahead for future tense.
Simple future. I shall go मैं जाऊँगा. I shall not go मैं नहीं जाऊँगा. Shall I go क्या मैं जाऊँगा.
Very good.
Future continuous tense. I shall be eating मैं खाता रहूँगा. I shall not be eating मैं नहीं खाता रहूँगा. Shall I be eating क्या मैं खाता रहूँगा.
Very good.
Future perfect tense. I shall have eating मैं खा चुकूँगा.
I shall have
eaten.
I shall have eaten.
I shall have eaten मैं खा चुका हूँगा.
Very good.
I shall not have eaten मैं नहीं खा चुका हूँगा. Shall I have eaten क्या मैं खा
Shall I have
eaten क्या मैं खा चुका sorry क्या मैं
खा चुका हूँगा.
हाँ क्या मैं
खा चुका
हूँगा.
Go ahead for the last tense, that is future
perfect continuous tense. I shall have been eating मैं खाता हुआ रहूँगा.
Very good.
I shall have not been eating
I shall not have.
I shall not have been eating मैं नहीं खाता हूँगा. Shall I have been eating क्या मैं खाता रहूँगा.
Very nice. Now others, tell me one sentence in simple present tense with he. Make a sentence with he in simple present.
Simple present. He eat.
He eat or he eats.
Yes. He eats.
He eats. And what is the negative of this one?
He does not eat.
Very good. And what is the interrogative?
Does he not eat.
Does he not
Eat.
So others fine. Do you know part of speeches?
Yes.
Make
Yes.
a complete sentence. Do you know the part of speeches?
Yes, I know part of.
How many parts of speech are there?
There are 8 part of speech.
Name all the parts of speeches.
Noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, conjunction, interjection.
Where is preposition?
Sorry, preposition.
Preposition. Define noun.
A noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing.
Can you give me an example of noun?
Ram, Mohan, Sohan, etc.
These are the name of the persons.
Persons.
Give me some more example like places, things.
Himalaya, Taj Mahal, Delhi, Mumbai.
Alright. What is the definition of pronoun?
A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun.
What are the examples of pronoun?
We love to me. We love to
I,
me.
we, you, he, she. Are these pronouns?
Yes,
These are pronouns, right? I is a pronoun, we is a pronoun, she is a pronoun.
we
they-
are pronoun.
They is a pronoun. And what is verb?
A verb is an action word.
What is the example of verb?
Ram is playing.
What is the verb in it?
Had
And Ram is playing, what is the verb?
playing.
Playing is the verb. Give me some example of more verb. Only tell me the verbs. Tell me some verb.
Is, are, am.
These are the auxiliary verbs. Go for main verbs.
Main verbs.
Play.
Play, run, walk, talk.
Very good. Now what is adjective?
An adjective is a word that to modify a noun or pronoun.
Give me some example of adjective.
Ram is an intelligent boy.
What is the adjective in this sentence?
Intelligent is the adjective.
And any more example of adjective?
Sita is a beautiful girl.
What is the adjective in this sentence?
Beautiful is the adjective.
Very fine. And what is conjunction?
A conjunction is joining word.
Conjunction is joining word. What are the example of conjunctions?
But I am late because I am tired.
So what is the conjunction in this sentence?
Because is the conjunction.
All right, others. Now, others, I am going to ask you some of the translation. I will speak in Hindi and you have to translate it into English.
English.
मेरे पापा को बाजार जाना पड़ेगा.
My father will have go to market.
We'll have to
Go to
go
market.
to market. And मुझे जाना था.
मुझे जाना था. I had to go.
Very good. Now answer some of the questions. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
How many books you have?
I have 10 books.
You have 10 books. Should you play in the afternoon?
No, I should not play in afternoon.
When do you get up?
I get up 6 o'clock
At
at morning
I get up at 6 o'clock.
clock.
And when do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m.
Very good. And how many pencils you have?
I have 2 pencils.
You have 2 pencils. What is the color of your shirt?
The color of my shirt is green.
The color of your shirt is green. How many members are there in your family?
There are 6 members in my family.
Is this a pen?
No, this is not pen.
What is this?
This is book.
This is a book. Very fine. And what are those? What are those?
Those are fans.
Those are fans. How many fans are there?
Those are 2 fans.
There are.
There are 2 fans.
There are 2 fans. In which class do you study?
I study in 5th class.
Alright. What is the capital of India?
What is the capital of India is New Delhi.
The capital of India is
New Delhi.
New Delhi. What is the name of your state?
The name of my state is India.
What is the name of your state?
Uttar Pradesh.
Why you are saying that it is India? What is the name of your country?
The name of my country is India.
The name of your country is India. Now others, मैं बचपन में खेला करता था. What will be the translation of this one?
मैं बचपन में खेला करता था. I used to play in childhood.
Very nice. And बारिश होने वाली है.
It is used to rain.
Used to, बारिश होने वाली है. It is
about to. Oh,
it is about to rain. मेरे पापा आने वाले हैं.
मेरे पापा आने वाले हैं. My father is about to go.
My father is about to go.
Come.
My father is about to
Come.
मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ने वाला हूँ.
मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ने वाला हूँ. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ने वाला हूँ.
फर्स्ट मेक द सेंटेंस मैं पढ़ने वाला हूँ.
I am about to read English book.
I am about to read
English.
वे लोग तैरा करते थे.
वे लोग तैरा करते थे. They were swim.
They used to.
Oh sorry. They used to swim.
They used to swim.
वे
लोग खेल रहे थे.
वे लोग खेल रहे थे. They used to play.
वे लोग खेल रहे थे.
वे लोग खेल रहे.
Past continuous tense.
Past continuous tense. They were playing.
They were
playing.
They were playing. तुम्हें पढ़ना चाहिए.
तुम्हें पढ़ना चाहिए. You should read.
तुम्हें अवश्य पढ़ना चाहिए.
You must read.
Do you read in the morning?
Yes, I read in the morning.
Yes, you read in the morning. And where is your father?
My father is at home.
Your father is at home. Who cooks food for you?
My mother cooks for me.
My
mother cooks
food?
Food for me.
Your mother cooks food for you. And who earn money for you?
My father earn money for
Earn or earns?
earns.
Money for you. Who look after your family?
My father looks my family.
Look after the family. Your father look after the family. Very good, others. Go and take your seat.
Thank you.